Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Prime Video fixed download. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. The first thing that you need to do is open up your app store, and on the search bar simply type in Amazon Prime Video or Prime Video, and once it loads, tap on it and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issue that you are facing, so a simple update will probably fix the issue. And now if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to your settings app, and once you're inside here, tap on general, then tap on iPhone storage, and once it loads, all you gotta do is just scroll down and then find Amazon Prime Video and tap on it. And once you're inside here, tap on offload app and then tap on offload app to begin the process. And what this does, it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app. And once that process is done, instead of this upload app, you'll have an option that says reinstall app. Simply tap on that, and once that process is complete, go back and try again, and that's how you do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.